Science by Cecil and Raphael. Gamma ray burst. Gamma ray bursts are a very interesting scenario to talk about. Gamma ray bursts are flashes of gamma rays associated with extremely energetic and explosives that have been observed in distant galaxies. The cause of gamma ray bursts are due to the development of resistance between the crust and the core of such star as a result of the massive tidal force experienced in the second leading up to their collision, causing the entire crust of the star to shatter. This resistance and energy is released in a few seconds, which is more energy in the sun produced in a 10 billion year lifetime. Gamma ray bursts have no physical explanation at all, none, for what would create such a high amount of energy. Gamma ray bursts aren't plausible because of scientific study how many times this has occurred over time. This has only happened one time. Once ever in our records on Earth. Another reason gamma ray bursts aren't plausible is because in order for all the factors, as in other galaxies being close enough to experience a burst, are little to no chance. Gamma ray bursts have occurred in many media. One of the movies is The Hulk. The second scenario, environmental toxins. Environmental toxins are caused by air pollution plus other spills by plants that have dangerous substances. The effect of environmental toxins could be devastating. It could affect the food chain, which in turn could affect the whole ecosystem. Some explanation for such a disaster will be that a worker could mess up on something in the factory of a plant. Another explanation for this is something malfunctions and explodes. Environmental toxins are basically when pollution gets into the environment that causes adverse change. Environmental toxins are plausible because something dangerous from a factory could spill out like toxic waste. Another reason why environmental toxins are plausible because there are many oil spills that affect some ecosystems. One form of media is Fallout New Vegas, the video game. Our last scenario we'll be talking about is nanotechnology disaster. This is the cause of the disaster is when a hypothetical end of the world scenario involving nanotechnology gets out of control, causing the disaster. The type of disaster that could cause for all of the robots to duplicate and outweigh the Earth is very likely. One explanation of this duplication creation of nanotech gets out of control. Nanotechnology is the field of nanotechnology getting out of control that can affect humanity. The scenario on the nanotechnology is plausible because of past nanotech has shown effects on two countries that have been in an armed race and war because of nanotechnology being so likely to take over the world and being powerful. Another reason why it is plausible is because nanotechnology is already have an effect on mankind and is helping us every day in our lives and can also turn on us. One form of media is Spider-Man, the video game. Another form of media is Call of Duty Ghost, the video game. Thank you for your time. The end. The end.